Welcome to the Gus Alva Perspective, a brand new podcast brought to you by HCPLive. I'm Dr. Gus Alva, and twice a month we'll be diving into the latest updates and critical discussions shaping the field of psychiatry. Whether it's new research, emerging treatments, or expert insights, this podcast will bring you the most relevant and thought-provoking conversations in mental health care. We'll also be spotlighting key highlights from the upcoming Southern California Psychiatry Meeting this July, hosted by our CME partner, Physicians Education Resource. Expect exclusive previews, speaker insights, and discussions that will help you stay ahead of the curve in clinical psychiatry. So, if you're a clinician looking to deepen your understanding of psychiatric advancements, this is the podcast for you. Be sure to subscribe and join me for the Gus Alva Perspective, where knowledge meets clinical practice.